Hello savers, welcome back to my channel. This is Budget with Soph, and if you are new, my name is Sophia. Welcome to our channel. I am so happy you are here. So today for our video, we are going to do part 3 of setting up our budget notebook. If you did miss those videos, I will link them in the description below, so do go ahead and check that out. But today we are going to do part 3, and we are going to basically add a few things that I feel like I should check up on. That is why I'm putting it in my budget notebook, because I use this very often, so I don't see why not. I wouldn't add it to my notebook. So here we are going to add the next page. So if you do remember, the last page was the year at a glance and my savings. So we are going to the next page. On this next page, we are going to add so I wanted to read a little bit more this year, 2023. I don't really have a goal as to how many books I want to read, but I did want to read. So I made this little, I got this tracker off of Pinterest. So I printed it out on the paper that is on glue. It's a sticker. It's a sticker paper. So I printed it out. I cut it so it fits the notebook. And we are going to add this to the next page. So what I will do is I will basically write down the stories. I could color, I could write the title of the story, the book right here, and that's it. So I want to basically fill this all up. I think there are like 30 books. That's not bad, so that's what I want to do. And on this page, we are going to log our books, like 5-star, and like rate it. We're going to just rate it a little bit and write the author, the title, and yeah. If you guys want to see at the end of this year what books I read, you guys could comment below. Let me know if that's one of your goals, to read more. So yeah, that is going to be our next page, and this is going to be our book log. So I am going to write it in pink. Book log. So all the books that we read, we will write it on this page and then just read it. On to the next page. On this page, I wanted to put a vision board. So this is going to be all my goals that I want to do for my life, basically for 2023. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put it on this page so we can't see it bleed right here. So yeah, we're going to put it right here so that covers it. And then we are going to write down all of our goals that I set for 2023 that I need to work on. This is like personal stuff. So on my vision board log, we're going to have a daily negotiable, business and career, personal, family, health and wellness, life bucket list, and financial goal. So we are going to write down all of these right now. I already have them written down that I need to be working on. So I have all these goals written down, and I just wanted to add them all here. So for my daily and non-negotiable, I want to read my daily word. Now that's like Christian thing that I do. I read my daily word, and it just gives me a little bit of motivation, puts me in the right mindset. And then I want to read an hour and take my daily vitamins, which is, I don't want to do too much, so that's what I have for my daily non-negotiable. For personal and family, I want to do one night a month of fun activity. I want to, hopefully I can do movies every other month. Depending on if I'm interested in the movie or not, like, it doesn't matter. And then for the last one, a family night. Once a month. For my life bucket list, I want to visit. Whoa. Visit 6 places. I've never been. That's for the whole year. So that's the goal. The only goal I have for my life bucket list. For my business, I want to start a new career journey, which I am doing in March. So I'm very excited about that. I want to post at least once a week on my business page, my Natural Deluxe business. And I wanted to, for my health and wellness, moving on to health and wellness, meal plan every other day. Work out 3 times a week. And then, I also wanted to Uber 3 times a week. That's just like career, business, or does that go down here? Anyways, and then I wanted to walk walk for an hour. Walk for an hour. Then for financial, I have 10 no spend days a month. And for each of those days, I'm going to give myself $5. And that's going to go into my savings envelope. I don't know if you guys remember my savings envelope. So, yeah. Then I'm going to budget every paycheck. That's a financial goal. And then, like I said, Uber at least 3 times a week. Which, if it doesn't work out like that, that's fine, but that's just a goal that I have. So this is my vision board, a short version of my vision board. This page I'm going to leave blank because I want to just add, something else along the lines of like the month or something. And then for the next page, I want to do birthdays. I want to add all my friends' birthdays, all my family's birthdays, anything that I need to just add, just like a reminder. That's going to go on the next page. So this is what my birthday tracker is going to look like. My birthday tracker. So I'm going to add all the birthdays in, and then that's it for this. I won't, you know, give you guys all the information right there. But on this page, I'm going to write anything that was added. So like in January. So my cousin had her baby. So on January 6th, we had a new birthday in the family. Her name is Melody. So she was born on January 6th. That's also the same day as my cousin's birthday. So I'm going to write their birthdays down right here. All the birthdays that I have in January. And that's going to be it for my video. So I have my cousin Danielle's birthday is January 6th. My cousin Brianna's birthday is January 13th. My aunt's birthday is January 23rd. And my grandma who passed away, her birthday is January 28th. So these are some of the people that I want to remember whose birthdays are in January, and any other like celebration or things like that that happen in the month of January, I'll add them down, or each month I'll add them down. So February, we'll do that with the check-in, and that is it for my video. So we have our birthday calendar, we have a vision board, and we have our book tracker, book log. That is what I want to add into my, you know, my budget notebook. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I want you guys to check back in for my side hustle. That will be on Friday. So yes, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.